Welcome to class, everybody. We're going to be talking a little bit more. We have Seth right here, almost hit having fun with cars on the freeway. So this is going to be a not smart rider. 2 close calls within a few seconds. Speed is a significant factor. Let's go ahead and look at all these other factors here with Seth. Okay, not very smart. We're going super fast, way more than the flow of traffic. That was a close call. He had to apply some brakes. Okay, we're just going to not even worry about that. Oh, we're going to have another close call, and we're going to almost hit the guardrail. Okay, no gear. Okay, maybe gloves and a helmet. That's it. Seth would have had major trauma if a collision had happened at these speeds, road rash, impacting vehicles or the wall, and or getting run over by other vehicles on the road. Find a track. So we're coming up to here. We're accelerating super fast. We're just getting all tucked in. We want to be fun. We want to just go fast. We're going way faster than the flow of traffic. People can't see us. Sun is at our back, which means it's sun in the rearview mirror of these vehicles in front of us. And right here, this vehicle is wanting to switch over multiple lanes. We can't get pissed because we're doing stupid shit too. So we're moving over here. Okay, cool. We now see that this person's staying in this lane. We find a gap. Let's go ahead and have some fun. Let's accelerate. Now we're going to do this. Oh, we got somebody coming in. And now our gap is closed. So he needs to find himself an escape path. Okay, thankfully he's going this, actually, I'm not even going to say that. He's going pretty fast. He's able to get into the escape path, but look how close this is. Let's just say this is 80. Okay, we get clipped by this vehicle. Now we're getting ran over by the vehicle behind us, or we're going to go skid about 300-400 feet, maybe 500 feet, because you can skid for quite a bit. No gear whatsoever. No gear whatsoever, other than his gloves and helmet. I mean, he's going to rip his arms off. Not very smart, not very good. And he had to swerve so hard, it pushed him multiple lanes. Imagine if there was a car already there in this lane right here, and now there's a car in this lane. He just hit the side of that vehicle. Not very smart, Seth. Come on, man. You could do better. All right, right here, we have Will R1 MS3, my first accident. It's going to be a merging accident on the freeway. Applied brake pressure before the crash and lost minor traction before hitting the car. Uh-oh. Okay, so red stage maneuvers. We're going to take a look and see what happens here. Okay, merging issue. There's the impact. We didn't do much. We applied the brakes. That's good. That's only to buy you some time to get to something else. Signage. We're always looking for signage. We're always looking for clues. This is a merging. Okay, we're coming up to here. He's slowing down, so he's applying the brakes. Like I said, this is going to be a progressive braking, but it's not going to be enough total stopping distance. We need to have more total stopping distance for the speeds that we have here. Okay, he perceived, he's reacting with braking. We need braking distance. Let's perceive, let's react with a swerve, and now you need an escape path. So we have multiple situations we can use red stage. Perceive the threat, and then we need to react with something. So first thing is perceiving the threat. First thing is recognizing. Okay, part of being a smart rider is seeks and recognizes. So recognize, perceive it. Now we have to react. What do we react with? This is where we pull out our tools. Do we swerve? Do we brake? Do we do a combination? What do we do? We have to find the escape paths for the swerving, and we have to have braking distance for the braking. So he's going to go ahead and brake. So cool, we're braking. It's not enough total stopping distance. Let's go back. Now let's swerve. Where's our escape path? So we need to be able to adjust and move. There's not a one-size-fits-all. You need to be capable. You need to actually maneuver. You need to know multiple things so you can make adjustments on the fly. And here's the thing, you have to practice it. So we're braking. At this point, he's not doing anything. He lost a little traction, so he started losing his total stopping distance and just applied more brake. It's not going to work. We have an escape path right here. We need to swerve into that. Okay? Got to swerve into that. We practice our braking, acceleration, and turning skills here with the Smart Rider Drill booklet. Make sure you guys grab one. It comes with a set of cones. Comes with all the cones you need. Go ahead and grab it. It's on the store right now.